Hello guys, what's up? So in this video we are going to try out this Instagram Joker filters. So I have 3 Joker filters here. 1, 2 and 3. So the first one is El Romas and it's by Nicolas. Let's go to his profile. Okay, so this is you can save it from his profile. Okay, let's check the second one. It's Joker by Silers. Let's go to her profile. Okay, this one. You can save it from her profile. Okay, now go to the third one. Okay, this is also Joker by Gianna Grillet. Okay, let's go to profile. Okay, so this one is the Joker filter. So guys, you can go to their profile and you can get this filter from here. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise, you can go to their profile and you can get this filter. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.